Hi, gentlemen. Prepared to be most awaited video because today we are diving into the cutting edge world of AI. Adobe, the heavyweight of graphics, have just unleashed their mind blowing new tool called Project Gingerbread, and it's taking the entire industry by storm. Imagine having an AI tool that breaks from predictability and empowers designer with ultimate control. That's exactly what gingerbread does. And let me tell you, it's game changer. Get ready for the first mind-blowing feature, user created 3D scene presets. Gingerbread does not rely on random compositions like other AI models. Instead, it layers your generated image atop your own custom 3D scene, giving you dynamic control like never before. But it does not stop there. Gingerbread also brings interactive text prompts to table. Just type a simple command like we see glass on a wooden table and boom, the AI model molds the scene exactly how you envisioned it. It's like having a skilled artist at your fingertips, ready to bring your idea to life. And let's talk about now, here is the best part. Gingerbread is not just a fancy research project. Adobe A made it into a creative suite which includes beloved tools like Photoshop, Premium Pros, and Illustrator. These integrations will revolutionize digital designs, putting the power of gingerbread directly into the hand of designer worldwide. But wait, there more. Adobe is not stopping here. They have ever bigger plans for gingerbread, and that going to reveal them at Adobe Max 2030. This is just beginning of the exciting journey that will redefine AI image generation as we know it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest tech news. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of AI.